Alright, here we go with the last eighth note strumming pattern for chords. So it's polyrhythm, and polyrhythm because we have these two chords evenly spaced across these three beats, and this happens 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So polyrhythms basically might be more appropriately named as a polytempo, because basically you have a tempo happening for these two chords here and another tempo happening for these three beats here. So basically, like every three beats that happen, every two chords that happen, they continue to repeat over and over and over again like that. So like every three clicks, or the metronome, or every three beats, you have those two chords evenly spaced across that, and then they continue to repeat again and again and again. So like the chords are always happening at a specific time. They're always evenly spaced. So this chord is evenly spaced to that chord, evenly spaced to that, evenly spaced to that, and so on. Basically every chord is a beat and a half. Beat and a half long, beat and a half long. Or a quarter and an eighth note long, quarter and an eighth note long. And then here we're just changing it up, doing something a little bit different, because if we continued the beat and a half, bar 4 would be rhythmically the same as bar 1. So we want something a little bit different here. So we continue with our 4-bar patterns and keep that right hand going the whole time. Going to be very helpful. Here we go, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I will quietly say some of the downbeats just to help me stay in track or stay in line with what's happening here. So if you do that too, that's totally fine. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 1, and 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Alright, single note picking. 140 beats per minute is the new top goal to reach. So you can work up both numbers 2 and number 3 without the repeat if needed, just to make it easier. But here we go at 60 beats per minute with number 2, keeping the fingers down as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is at 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 3. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hundred. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 40. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and that's that. So if any questions come up, please let me know, and I'll see you again next week.